Just one quick little tip when doing stuff like this. Get yourself some baggies, a little permanent marker, and label and write down a little note for all the pieces you take apart. And snap some pictures. I'll be recording everything, so I'll have some video to go back and look at. But that should help you along the way. Here's the factory exhaust already off of the car. I figured it would just be easier to explain it off of the car rather than trying to manipulate the camera underneath of it, because I've only got it up on jack stands. So every joint is 14mm nuts. The bolts are attached to each section of exhaust, so don't worry about trying to get those out. You want to start from front to back and spray each nut with some WD-40 or PB Blaster or some kind of like anti-corrosion or lubricant, and it'll save you a lot of trouble with getting them off. It also helps if you spray all of your exhaust hangers with a little bit of WD-40 as well. Once you do that, let it sit for about 15 minutes, and again, start from the front, work your way back. Once you get all your nuts broke loose, the easiest thing to do is grab right here in front of the flex pipe and just pull down and a little bit towards the rear of the car, and it'll flex real nice and pop right off of the down pipes. And then you'll just slide this center section forward out of the mid pipe. When you do the mid pipe, you want to disconnect both of your hangers, and then once you pull it forward, you're going to slide it backwards towards the rear of the car after you get the bolts off to remove it from the center. And then same thing at the rear. Get your two hangers out, and then this piece will just want to fall after that because there's nothing holding it on anymore. And that is it. That's how you remove the factory exhaust. And if you want to grab yourself a little exhaust hanger tool off Amazon, they're pretty cheap and very helpful.